Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will migrate simple local application to the Azure. But first of all, I will check if this application is working locally. After that, we will migrate it to the Azure App Services. For that purpose, on my GitHub repository, I have got simple Azure quiz app that I will share in the description. I already cloned these applications to my local computer. And let's check, install the requirements. I go the steps with the README, and let's check if it's working locally. Okay, the application is started, and let's check if it's working. So refresh the page. The simple Azure quiz, start quiz. We have got at this moment 5 questions. Let's do the random answers. Answer for that question. And after the questions finished, we have got the quiz results. So how many answer was correct and what is the percentage of correct answers, and we could restart the quiz. So let's go to migrate these applications to the Azure. Okay, so let's migrate this application to the Azure. So I will stop the app, clear the screen, and for that we need to create the resource. We need to have subscription in the Azure. I assume that you already have it. So first of all, we need to create the resource group. For my purpose, the resource group name will be Azure Quiz RG in the location West Europe. Okay. Next, let's create the app service plan. The name of it is Azure Quiz Plan, and it will be stored in the Azure Quiz resource group. And it is free. And let's create the Azure web app using the Python runtime environment. Let's wait a moment. Okay, now we can go to the Azure and check if all of that is created successfully. So we have got the Azure Quiz resource group. We have got Azure Quiz plan, of service plan, but still we need to wait for the app service is created. So let's go to the Visual Studio Code, to my Azure extension. And from that panel, we can upload our applications to the Azure. Okay, we've got my subscription, our app services. This is our Azure Quiz app. And let's right click on that and where is it? Deploy to web app. Yes, we want to override and deploy this application. So let's wait for the deploy to finish. I will get back to you when it will be ready. Okay. Our application is deployed. And there's one more thing we need to do. We need to add to the startup applications this command that is shared in the GitHub. So I will go to my app, so let's go to the path again, our source group, our application, go to the settings, configuration, and for the starter command we need to paste this and check change to up. Now it's okay. Continue. And I will restart the application. Okay, that's deployment is successful for our local machine. Started. Start the quiz. Now, like you can see, we can go to. Okay. Let's go to the logs. Let's go to the. Okay, so the application will be working as a quiz app as a website. That's net, and we have got here. Let's answer the question. And yes, like you can see, everything is working as expected. The application now is hosted in the Azure. Next, we will change the deployment to the GitHub. To achieve that, we need to go to our app in the Azure, to the Deployment tab and Deployment Center. From that, we need to choose our source. In my example, it will be GitHub. I have already been signed it before. If you are not, you need to do it. I have been already signed before. If you are not, you need to make it. Next, I need to pick up my organization. Repository is my Azure quiz. This is my repository on GitHub and the main branch. Workflow option will be the override, and I will use the user assign identity. Yes, we need to make a new user assign the identity, new one, and save it. Okay, let's check deployment center. Go to the settings again, and now the source GitHub is connected. We can go to the GitHub now and check if the actions on this repository exist. So the connection from the GitHub is now added. So let's refresh that page. Maybe let's try on this again. Or jobs, and let's see if it will work. This deployment from GitHub is good to have because every change in the GitHub will automatically update this information in the Azure. So if I add some new questions or modify my application locally and push this information to GitHub, it will automatically change in the Azure. But first, we need to wait that everything is set up properly and check if the application is working with the basics. Okay, still let's wait. Okay, I will back to you when it will be ready. Okay, like you can see, everything is working as expected. Now I come back to my app, refresh the page, and check if the quiz is working now. The same way like before, but now our source of truth is from the GitHub. And yes, it looks okay. So, and now we can modify the app, maybe add some new questions, and everything should automatically pop up in the Azure. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you.